Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can edit and customize your channels on Slack really quickly. For example, if you'd like to give them a personal touch. So let us show you really quickly how to do that. Head over to Slack, log into your account, select your workspace in the top left corner, and pick your channel you would like to edit or customize from that list of associated channels. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. Basically, all you need to do, guys, is right click on the given channel and select view channel details to get to the channel settings. So basically what you want to do, guys, is, for example, change the channel name by clicking on edit here, or you may add a topic by clicking on edit there. After that, you may describe your channel in a few words, just like that, by clicking again, you may already guess it, on edit here. Just remember, guys, to save your changes by clicking on that button here. After that, you may also select a different channel manager, for example, remove yourself as the channel manager if you like and add a new one, and so on and so forth. You may leave the channel if you click on that button. Next, head over to the members section here to the right at the top, and here you may, for example, invite new members or users to your channel, or, for example, remove users by clicking on these three dots next to the username and by selecting remove from channel, or make the given member a channel manager, and so on and so forth. And lastly, guys, what you want to do is head over to your channel settings here, and in the last step, simply decide whether you'd like to make your channel public or private. Usually these channels are set on public on default, so you may change the status by clicking on change to a private channel here. You may archive the channel to hide it from other users and members in your workspace, and last but not least, you may also delete the given channel by clicking on that button there. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you customize and edit your channel on Slack. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.